Hey guys, Candace Guys here, and thank you so much for tuning back into my channel for Pretty Wednesday. Today, I'm checking in from sunny Los Angeles, California, and although this is technically a work trip, today I decided to take some downtime for myself, and a part of that includes allowing my face to breathe. So no foundation today, right? And I wanted to share the technique that I use for this no makeup look. It's light, it's airy, it gives my face a natural glow. It helps me to look put together, even on days where I am super casual, maybe just doing some shopping, hanging out, and minding my own business, handling some self-care, okay? But if you're interested in learning more about this technique and how I achieve it, stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. First, I'm starting off with Neutrogena Hydro Boost as my moisturizer of choice. Next, I'm evenly distributing my all-time fave, MAC Strobing Cream, for a little extra moisture and a sheer natural glow. Now that I'm all moisturized, I'm going to use NYX Tame Frame to fill in my brows for the day. Here, I'm using the spoolie brush to brush out all those sharp lines and edges for a more natural look. 20 years later, and I finally got my eyebrows on. Now I'm just going to use Infallible Pro Glow Concealer to define and correct. I'm following up with the Real Techniques Complexion Sponge to blend the concealer around my eyebrows until it's natural enough for a no foundation day. The next few steps are all about ensuring that the glow up is real. Let's start by using Maybelline Master Strobing Stick across my cheekbones, down the center of my nose, and in my cupid's bow. The process continues using L'Oreal True Match Lumi to add a little dimension and depth to my highlight. And as you can see, I'm basically applying it in the same areas as before. Just going to increase that glow. Just a little MAC Raizin blush to give myself some color. Listen, you can't have enough highlight. I'm going to follow back up with Becca highlight and Prosecco pop. Apply my wispies. And just like that, I'm all done. Hey, thanks so much for tuning in today. As always, please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend about CandaceGuides.com.